Hello! Welcome to your ESL class. Our goal is to help you learn to speak English. This is real-life English you can use right away.
Hello, and welcome back to Kokolo English. In this class, you'll learn English in a short, easy-to-follow, step-by-step lesson. Today, you'll learn a very useful and simple phrase, how to say yes in different ways.
In English, we don't always say just the word yes. Sometimes we speak casually with friends. Sometimes we speak politely. And sometimes we speak formally at work or in emails. In this lesson, you'll learn casual ways to say yes, polite ways to say yes, and formal ways to say yes. You'll learn to match the correct yes for the situation and a few common mistakes to avoid. Now let's begin today's lesson. Okay, just a few simple directions. The lesson is designed for you to listen to examples and then practice speaking. The female voice with red text is me, Paris.
The male voice with blue text is me, Mark. After we speak, it's time for you to practice your English. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Mistakes are an important part of learning. Just keep trying.
Casual ways to say yes. We use casual English with friends, family, or classmates. Saying yes in this way is usually a short answer. Here are 4 common casual ways to say yes. 1. Yeah. Example, you think it's going to rain today?
Answer, yeah.
2. Sure. Example, could I borrow a pen?
Answer, sure.
3. Of course. Example, you going to the gym tonight?
Answer, of course.
4. No problem. Example, I'll send you an email later tonight.
Answer, no problem. Now it's time for you to practice. Practice speaking both the red and blue text.
You think it's going to rain today?
Yeah.
Could I borrow a pen?
Sure.
You going to the gym tonight?
Of course.
I'll send you an email later tonight.
No problem.
Remember, casual language is not good for job interviews or formal emails.
Polite ways to say yes. We use polite English in everyday situations with people we respect, like teachers, neighbors, or coworkers. Here are 4 polite ways to say yes. 1. Yes, please. Example, would you like a cup of coffee?
Answer, yes, please.
2. Yes, thank you. Example, can I help you carry those heavy boxes?
Answer, yes, thank you.
3. That would be great. Example, would you like to join us for lunch?
Answer, that would be great.
4. Certainly. Example, is it all right if I call you later?
Answer, certainly.
Now it's time for you to practice. Practice speaking both the red and blue text. Would you like a cup of coffee?
Yes, please.
Can I help you carry those heavy boxes?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like to join us for lunch?
That would be great.
Is it all right if I call you later?
Certainly.
Polite English is friendly and respectful.
Formal ways to say yes. We use formal English in professional or important situations such as job interviews, business meetings, speaking with your boss, formal emails. Here are 4 formal ways to say yes. 1. Yes, certainly. Example: can you bring your resume to the interview?
Answer: yes, certainly.
2. That will be fine. Example: I would like you to send this email right away.
Answer: that will be fine.
Number 3. I agree. Example: we have decided to have our meeting on Friday.
Answer: I agree.
4. Absolutely. Example: can you finish this report today?
Answer: absolutely.
Now it's time for you to practice. Practice speaking both the red and blue text. Can you bring your resume to the interview?
Yes, certainly.
I would like you to send this email right away.
That will be fine.
We have decided to have our meeting on Friday.
I agree.
Can you finish this report today?
Absolutely.
Formal English is more professional and respectful.
Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Using a casual yeah in formal situations. Instead, it's better to say yes or yes, of course. 2. Saying only yes without emotion. In English, tone and extra words show friendliness. Try saying yes please or yes, thank you. 3. Using sure in writing a business letter or email. Use instead I agree or yes, certainly.
In today's class, you learned 3 ways of saying yes. How to say yes casually with friends. How to say yes politely in daily life. How to say yes formally at work and common mistakes to avoid. Remember, different situations require different English. Well, that's all for this class. Watch this lesson often and practice.
Please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss any lessons.
Thanks for attending Cocolo English. See you next class. Bye for now.